In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect microphone to Garageband. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly connect a microphone to any platform where you are running Garageband and how to set it up inside of the app. So to do this, first you will have to establish a connection between the microphone and your PC, laptop, or mobile device where you have GarageBand running. The primary ways are going to include an XLR connection, USB connection, or USB-C connection. If you have USB or USB-C, it's as simple as plugging it into any of the available ports on your PC or laptop, for example. By establishing this connection directly with the cable on your microphone, it is going to be usable inside of GarageBand and any other applications that use microphones. Alternatively, if you have an XLR microphone, you will most likely need an audio interface or a mixer. And after you have the audio interface set up and connected to the microphone, you can finish the connection by connecting the audio interface to the PC or laptop running GarageBand. So essentially, you are going to use it as a sort of middleman. So as long as you establish a connection like so, you will be able to use your microphone. There are other alternative methods as well, but the point is you must find a way to physically connect the microphone to your PC, laptop, or whatever device is running GarageBand. Inside of GarageBand, when you get the option to choose a track type, you can already see the input device presented here. So if you select the option audio and then record using a microphone or line input, it should appear immediately. If you don't see it on the list, it could indicate that it wasn't connected properly. You can also look under your track, and under your track you will see input. On this option, you can also double check to see which microphone is being used. So if it says no input, just switch it to any of the connected microphones. And once it is selected, it will be used to record this track. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect microphone to GarageBand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.